This is a message by the National Weather Service. This is a snowstorm warning for the state of New Jersey. This is not a test. A large and violent snowstorm is currently hitting the East Coast. This includes portions of central and southern New Jersey. Heavy snow to mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations between 6 and 10 inches and ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. This warning is in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour this morning, then the snow mixes with and changes to sleet and freezing rain and to a period of plain rain this afternoon and evening. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained if you can the number 511. Please check the Weather Channel for additional updates regarding this situation.